Hi there. In this Doomsday Survival PLR Firesale review, I'm going to show you a massive done-for-you package that helps you launch 15 survival businesses instantly using high-quality PLR reports, videos, and sales pages. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've put together some exclusive bonuses if you decide to grab Doomsday Survival PLR Firesale through my link below. Check the description, these are high-value bonuses you don't want to miss. What is Doomsday Survival PLR Firesale? Doomsday Survival PLR Firesale is a massive private label rights bundle that includes 15 ready-to-sell survival and prepping business kits. Each kit comes with a 2,600+ word report, a done-for-you video course, professional sales pages, and upsell/download pages. You can edit, rebrand, and resell everything as your own. Perfect for building a survival blog, selling digital products, or even launching an email list funnel. Why this is a big deal? People are prepping harder than ever: wars, economic collapse, climate chaos. The survival niche is exploding, and this PLR bundle gives you everything you need to monetize the fear and help others prepare, all while building your brand. And the best part? You don't need to write a single word, shoot any videos, or design pages. It's all done for you. Here are some standout features. 15 niche survival reports, each is over 2,600 words, well-formatted, and fully editable, DOCX plus PDF. HD video courses, professionally voiced, high-res MP4 videos that can be sold as upsells. Done-for-you sales pages, clean, mobile-responsive pages for instant product launches. Upsell and download pages, no tech stress. Everything's pre-built and plug-and-play. Topics include solar survival gear, ham radios for preppers, water purification, economic collapse survival, raising chickens, wilderness shelter tips, winter prepping, and more. How it works? It's super simple. Step 1, download your PLR survival package. Step 2, rebrand with your own name and logo. Step 3, upload the pages and start selling or using it for lead generation. You get instant authority in the survival niche, no content creation required. Let's take a quick look at how it all works in the demo. Insert short video walkthrough or B-roll. Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main bundle. Front end, $22 to $27, the core offer with 15 full PLR survival kits, reports, videos, pages. OTO 1, $47, premium survival content add-on, extra value and depth. OTO 2, $29, more done-for-you modules to expand your offers. OTO 3, $39.99, bonus funnels, email swipes, and automation tools. OTO 4, $39, more ready-to-go PLR tools to save time. OTO 5, $39.99, add-on products to increase your funnel value. OTO 6, $77, huge bundle of upsell-ready video content. OTO 7, $97, massive vault of high-demand PLR products. OTO 8, $197 to $297, full-blown PLR Empire bundle with reseller tools. Pick the ones that match your goals, and skip the rest if they don't fit. What I like about it? Beginner-friendly, no writing, no filming, no designing. Huge value, you're getting 15 full digital businesses in one. Instant authority, rebrand and sell as if it's your own. Super flexible, use it for lead magnets, email funnels, or even membership sites. What could be improved? If you're looking for super custom or advanced tools, this won't replace building from scratch. But if you want to hit the ground running, this is it. Also, note that this PLR license doesn't include resale rights to the sales materials, HTML or editable DOCX, only the final reports and videos. Final thoughts. If you're looking for an easy, Profitable way to break into the survival niche, or want to grow your digital product library fast, Doomsday Survival PLR Firesale is a no-brainer. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. No tech hassles. High profit potential. Huge time saver. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Doomsday Survival PLR Firesale review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.